Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Bhupuri, as you can see, a very beautiful place. And today we are doing mobile waterfall photography. We'll try to create those silky waterfall photos with our mobile phone. Now usually when you want to do this silky waterfall mobile photography, you will need a tripod and a ND filter to get that shutter speed down. But today it's not the case with us because my phone already has that long exposure mode, so that is what I'm going to use. And not just my phone, most of the phones nowadays have that long exposure feature which you can try in your phone. Or if you don't have that feature, you can search for how to install that feature, or how to install the other camera apps like gcam, some higher version of gcam that you can import in your mobile phone, and then you will get that long exposure mode as well in your mobile phone. Now the main thing we'll be covering is compositions. I'll mainly try to capture three type of composition. First is wide angle, then another is close-up shots, and another is by keeping some things in the foreground. Let's get started. So guys, I think I'll try to create some motion here in this region and try to capture that plant over there. So let's see how it comes. So guys, this is another very good section. The water is yellow, but we can fix that in post processing. Damn, the image preview is very good. I don't know how the main image is going to be turned out. And guys, we are finally at the main waterfall. I'm thinking of composing one frame from here, from these leaves. That looks so good. Sheesh.